Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change from uppercase to lowercase in Excel. We start by opening Excel and seeing our data. To manage upper and lowercase letters, we are going to use three different functions. If we want to go from lowercase to uppercase, we will use the upper function and select the cell we want. If we want to go from uppercase to lowercase, we will use the lower function and select the cell we want. Finally, if we want only the first letter of the word to be capitalized, we will use the function proper and select the cell. If we want these formulas to be applied to the rest of the data, we will drag the cells to apply it. The drawback of this is that the values are linked, and if we delete the original data, so will the transformed data. Therefore, a solution would be to copy the data and paste it again in values-only format to remove any binding. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.